We got it started. 1 hour of messing around. Here we are up by Silver Star Campground, and here's Dave, and we're boosting this motorhome. And either the solenoid was messed up or bad connection, and we had it charging. We had it charging on the charger. I boosted it with the van to the battery. Then we ran the booster cables directly to the starter. And here's the solenoid back here. And we got it going after 1 hour, and we were doing everything right. So what did we do different? What did we do different?
I don't know. I just started touching everything until it sparked and started. I just started touching everything.
So there we go. You are of value.